So my intake manifold is stripped out. Now I just need to take it off. Yes guys, you can check here in, like, there was so much oil that came out here, and the spark plug was always dying out, and this injector that comes in here was always overfueling and stuff. This is really a mission, this, but let's see what we can do, guys. So throttle body is on, guys. Now just need to take off my map sensor, put my map sensor on, put my filter on, blah blah blah, and then check it out. And so this happened. I went for a drive, new intake manifold on, and I was just on my way to a friend's house, and I just heard a loud knocking sound on my car, and my car just died. Didn't want it to start again, and I opened up the bonnet and I figured out, hey, like, check, my crank pulley came loose and things, and I was like, hey, there's a big possibility that my valves are bent. So this 2-liter swap has given me so much headaches, but it's so much rewarding at the end. What's up, guys? It's your boy. Good. So guys, quick update. I'm here in my friend's garage, stripping my motor, and this car's been smoking a lot. So quick tip for the guys, when you buy a new engine or stuff, like, it's best you open that new engine up again yourself and take it to a professional to just check, make sure everything is solid again. Otherwise you're gonna come up with spending a lot more money, and you know what I mean, things just not going your way. So this is where I am right now. I'm busy taking the sump also off. Sump is off, drained all the oil and stuff. I'm gonna make loose all of this oil filter things over here, you know what I mean. And then gonna be doing the rings over. So I'm gonna put you guys in the time lapse. Let's see how it go. You can check here, all the oil laying on top, messed up.
Monsters that live inside your head at night, they are alright, 'cause they can never compare to the ones that live outside. So dream, dream, dream your dream, 'cause when you're awake, a nightmare awaits. So dream, dream, dream your dream, 'cause when you're awake, a nightmare awaits. It's a fantasy that we see you soon. Nowhere to go, terrors keep breaking through. So dream, dream, dream your dream, 'cause when you're awake, a nightmare will become a truth.
guess it, metal, and it will also seal real nicely because it has some extra layers on. But it's super awesome. Well guys, let's see how far can I still get, you know. My friend will be back soon and he'll also help me out.
Dream your dreams is when you're awake, and nightmare awaits. So dream your dreams is when you're awake, and nightmare awaits. It's a fantasy that we see you soon. I wanted to go terrace, keep breaking through. So dream your dreams is when you're awake, and nightmare will become the truth. Rose up to penetrate, there's no escape. The veil is raised, every mistake is a pause.
And so, turns out,
wire on the hand.
exactly. We came out Mensa because we had to replace valves. Because to get Mensa in this life or planet Earth where things just don't go your way. But we're gonna put everything together now and hopefully by tonight for a startup. And now my phone died and there's some clips I couldn't record. I didn't record a startup in the garage, which is so sad, but guys, I got it done in 3 days, motor overhaul with the help of a good friend, and it cost pretty much a lot, but it was worth it at the end of the day. So I took my pistons out and I feel so low. I'm feeling so hard, so I don't know where to go. I got my 4-cylinder piston rings laying right on my stupid piston. I wanna cry and I wanna love, but my tears, they just won't come out. Wees now to go. Hey. no more. My clutch is moved too. No more. Stop playing now. Yo, frack man, this 2 liter is too nice. The road is wet, the road is wet. Oh, red and blue. Yes, boy, mk1 shit in the summertime. What a 2 liter long block, 272 standard cam, stock standard, straight pipe mass moor. Nee, das clutch kicks I can, hey, clutch is expensive, Owens. Clutch is expensive. Let's take it slow. Nobody's opgemaakt nou, hey. This guy is opgemaakt. Is opgemaakt. Woo! The way it makes pop, crackle, snack, bang. My bro, it's disrespectful, man. If other golf, you must pull up next to me, be like, what's you wanna dice? I'll be like, my bro, I'm driving around with 800 rand clutch and 2 liter. My clutch is slipping, but once I kick, a moor. So a moor in a boer. Damn, son. That's why I don't drag Owens, man. You break your car, so man. Sorry, baby. My daily driver as I can. Oh, this thing, man. It must take me from A to B to C to D to E to E F G until I get to the Z. Yo. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I do appreciate the support, and I hope my journey continues here on forward, and that I can continue with more content and making things look better and exciting and improving in many other ways. And please leave a like, leave a subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.